Hello guys, this is Jatish Srivastava and here I am with a new video set on off-page SEO technique, that is directory submission. So we all have heard about directory, we all have phone directory where we used to feed the number of our contacts, okay, so that we can easily get to access to it whenever we want to call anyone. Similarly, over the internet we have web directory, that is we're going to discuss today. So let's get a quick recap of what we have done earlier. So we'll read about business listing, where we list our business online over the various platforms. We done the Google business listing and other website we also explored during our presentation last lecture. You can see we also list our business over the Google Maps. So if you might have not seen that video, I request you to kindly go through it, maybe before this lecture or after this lecture as well. So let's get started with today's lecture. So we have directory submission. So these are all the questions that we are going to answer today. We are going to answer what is the definition of directory submission, then its types, pre-submission tasks, how to do directory submission, what are its benefits, differentiate between directory submission and business listing. Because under the directory submission we used to give our business details, okay. Under the business listing we used to give our business details, okay. Then what's the difference that we're going to understand today? Okay, let's get started with this definition. So with the definition we have, over internet we have web directory, okay. Try to correlate phone directory, web directory, where we submit our website URL along with its title and short description for promotion, okay. So this is the main purpose of web directory. What we are going to do, basically we are going to submit our site URL along with its title, what is the title of your website, what is website all about, then a short description to support that title, okay. So this is the definition. Then its types. We have different types of business directory submissions. We have free or regular linking. We have paid linking. We have regular linking with reciprocal link. Let's figure out its advantage, or its meaning initially. Free, as the name suggests, there would be no charges. There would be no pricing involved when you will be linking or posting your directory details over the web directory website that supports free linking. Then we have paid linking. Paid linking, you have to pay something to them in order to get a backlink from them, okay. Then we have regular link with reciprocal link. Now what this reciprocal link means, basically you visited the website or web directory submission website and they ask you that sure, we will provide you a backlink with no charges, but in return you have to promote our link on your website, okay. Once you're done with the web directory, they take around, let's say around a week or 2 week time to check your website, your domain and page authority, and then the link that you have posted, then only they were going to give you a backlink. Similarly, under paid, the basically the verification process take around 24 to 48 hours, and in this you can say around 1 to 2 months or maybe more than that in order to get a backlink, okay. Then the pre-submission task. So once you are ready with the web directory submission, there are some pre-submission tasks you need to be undertake. For example, collect website related data. This is your website, okay, your website related data, that is its URL, metadata consists of a description, its title and meta keyword as well, and store them in a Word file. Collect list of high DNPA website. High DNPA website, that is the web directory websites, okay. Move ahead. Step to register. So this is something that we will be doing on the practical video as well. So just get a quick overview of it. So the important factor before picking any of these directory submission website or any of the website is to check their DNPA value. Some of the handpicked websites are the site promotion directory, Dizilla, Scrub the Web, etc. Okay. Then how to register? It's quite simple. We all know, man, if you know how to use the internet, you can do anything, okay. Just visit their website, fill the required information, and then bingo, you will get a backlink depending on which type of listing you have done, okay, the time which it will take basically. And the benefit is you get a quality backlink, you increase your internet web presence, okay. So basically what will happen, you get a backlink, you go increase the web presence, you want a quality backlink basically. The web directory submission will not give you a backlink right away after posting the link there. They are going to take some time, they're going to verify it, okay, and then only they're going to give you the backlink. So this was about the directory submission. As promised, we will going to differentiate now the directory and the business listing. Here we have directory, here we have business listing. So in directory submission, the purpose is to generate the quality backlink, and the medium would be the website that we just discussed, site promotion directory, Dizila, script by the web. Similarly, in the business listing, the purpose is to increase your online presence, okay, and the mediums are the websites that we discussed in the last lecture, and then the benefit is you get a backlink, you get your online presence. Benefit is same. Now what is the difference basically? Let's check out the difference. So under the directory submission, what generally happens, you list your information there, like title of your website, the URL, the meta description, and it take around some time to verify the same. But in business listing, once you give up your information there, they're going to check it physically as well. They are going to check it only online, okay? They're going to check it physically as well, whether you people live there physically or not. Here the physical location is not mandatory, here it is mandatory, okay? And also it affects your SEO value. It more positively affects than your SEO value rather than this one. Once generally when you search for something, let's say it's in the nearest saloon that we did in the last lecture, the business listing results come at the top, not the directory results. Business listing results comes and the search engine result page, not the directory. So these are the two different that you can basically review. The high SEO value you get from the business listing, your business listing result come in the search engine result page. And one more different that we discuss, it require your physical presence, it does not require your physical presence, okay? So this was about the directory submission and the difference between the directory and business listing. The next lecture I will be preparing the practical aspect. Please be tuned and follow the next video as well. Thank you so much.